Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, violet color, brown color, peacock green color, light pink color, dark green color, blue color, pink color, black color, sky blue color, orange color, red color. Let's draw the shape. This is black color. Right angle triangle. Triangle. Pie. Left side arrow. Right side arrow. Oval. Blue color. Right triangle. Right triangle. Blue color. Light pink color. Triangle. Triangle. Light pink color. Yellow color. Black color. Pie. 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 Black color. Green color. Left side arrow. Left side arrow. Green color. Yellow color. Right side arrow. Right side arrow. Yellow color. Brown color. Oval. Oval. Brown color. Blue color, light pink color, black color, green color, yellow color, brown color. Right triangle, pie, left side arrow, right side arrow, oval. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe.